Hello, this is HK Laser Training Center. In this time, you'll learn how to replace grease cartridge in auto grease. You must replace cartridge when alarm occurred or via visual check during maintenance. To replace cartridge, prepare new cartridge and turn off the machine. Then turn cartridge cover counterclockwise to separate. Turn cartridge counterclockwise also to separate. After separated, turn new cartridge and cover clockwise to insert. Lastly, insert cover to finish replacing. After replacing is done, turn on the machine and start draining air. Draining air can be done when installing auto grease first time or replacing cartridge. To do this, pull out air vent which is left below of auto grease by turning 1 to 2 times counterclockwise with spanner, 8 mm. And turn on the machine, go to General in Setup. Click All Access Injection to start auto grease manually. The grease will come out from air vent when it's running. Keep auto grease running until only grease come out. And turn air vent clockwise to lock and it's ready to use. Please be careful, use only specified grease. We have no responsibilities causing failure or malfunction by not using specified grease. The specified grease has high performance ingredients for lubricating fast and heavy machines. When not using specified grease, it will cause damage not only auto grease but also mechanics. Thank you.